Okay, this little mama, well, this Briah right here, but we in little mama's house and we cooking chicken. Well, she cooking chicken. Alright.
This is how you cook chicken, guys. I rub it in this sauce. See that? Then I take the chicken and I put it in a bag. I shake it up because that's where the sauce is for the chicken.
Watch, look. The hole. the hole in the box.
Yeah. See that?
That's like the pajama pants.
It's not shaped up right and good.
Those are pajama pants that got eel on them. Too much of pajama pants.
Yeah, they got eel.
Alright, we already saw.
Look at the chicken. Yeah, mixed it up in the sauce. And that's how it looks, guys. I come over here to where all my other chicken. Don't put all that in there.
That was our mama.
She's not in this.
Okay. Don't burn yourself.
Woo! Yeah. So I set this down and I come over here and wash my hands. Because, you know, I got all the cooking, the little blood and, you know, that stuff on my hands. I got 3 pieces of chicken left, guys.
She don't really talk like this.
No, I don't talk like that, guys. So I'm washing my hands off. When you show this to people, is that going to be able to hear me?
Mm-hmm.
On that?
Yes. It's a speaker right here. That is the speaker. It does have voice recording on it, so that'll be a speaker.
That is what's popping. Let's wash my hands off. Turn that off. Come over here. Put a paper towel.
I think they bouncy. They look like bouncy.
They bouncy.
Oh, I'm tight. I'm tight.
So, let's try. Come over here. So I gotta get the little thing, the grease and whatever.
The little thing that trapped, yeah,
And I put some paper towels in there, guys. I don't know why, I just see my mom do this all the time.
It's to soak the grease.
To soak the grease, Briah, right? I'm just doing the trigger.
Did she almost fall?
No, I'm just laughing.
Now she's flipping it over.
This chicken over, yeah, you know. You see the blood?
No.
That's why it's over here.
We see it, but I'm gonna zoom in on it. Ugh.
Nasty.
Nasty.
So I'm flipping the chicken so I can get it both sides, you know?
I wish she'd stop talking like this.
You know? Talk ghetto or what? Alright, let me talk proper because this is...
Why don't you just talk normal?
Little Mama Chicken Show!
I don't care no more.
So, stop. Look at that.
Ugh.
It's nasty. I'm gonna flip you over so you get all that out. Hopefully my chicken will hurry up because I am hungry. I am hungry, guys.
I'm trying to go get some hot wings.
And then when I get done cooking my chicken, we're gonna take this to the Whoopity Chicken House on Sarah!
You wanna do the dance?
Chicken and waffles on Sarah. Chicken and waffles on Sarah.
Alright. That is her chicken and waffle dance.
It is.
Alright, we'll come back with part 2 later. Alright, thank you for watching.
Thank you for, no,